Hello, my people. Good afternoon, people. How are they? Happy New Month. Yes, so you guys are all doing well. Thank God for a new month like this. Yes, so we are still on the matter, the same issue. A short message. Please share this video to him. Share the money. Let the money go viral. Let it go viral. Share the money, may go viral. You cannot bribe some people and leave some people. Bribe the whole world. Now they will not say you strong, you too much, you get swag. Do mezedo, boy, share the money, let it go viral. Not be so. I give some people, you not give some people 2 million. 2 million. It got bon for me, but then it got bon. You can have a beggar. It got bon of it. It's short even for me. It got bon. You know because everything a plus. You understand me? Everything a plus. Share the money, let the money go viral. I know I made my baby noise enter. Oh, Ababa me, why will I video? Why will it? You know, constant so they come now. Me to the dodger. Share the money, everywhere. Let it go viral. May it go viral. When I meet everywhere, when I give on this message, make the message vision. Make it share the money. Baby boy, I tell you that you should not come. You are coming. When you will see me talking on live, you will just rush. Hey, you be the play for inside room. You just see me now. You say, hey, my mommy don't get busy. You don't come by me again if you don't talk for live video based on. You know, the guys things pass one thing, your boy. Oh well, you know, if you just come, if I come, you know, if you get distracted because if I get distracted like this, you know, to send me. Based on say she don't want to just leave the live video. She want to talk for that kind of 5 or 10 or 20 minutes anyhow. So me I disturb. Oh, these children. It is well. Now God get power. So my people, it's a short one. I will somewhere in the live stream, but just quickly let me just say this. It's very important. You know. Social media, not be social media. Again, social media carry load. Why 2 million Yahoo? How you go bribe some people? You know, bribe some people. I bet bribe everybody. I beg me, beg. When I me beg them. I don't want to chop money. I don't want to eat for the money if he still give una. I felt make video yesterday. I say if he bring the money, for example, he give me 2. If I get you let plan, well, yes, I go do what you talk. No worry. Mega irigo ni only suppose they no give. Mega irigo ni go ni. If you make the champagne, make the lemi ya mi ogo mi ya I put up for table cake safe. I go to celebrate. I say you want to do birthday? Now your children they do better. I say forget that thing. This one don't pass children birthday. This one I confirm in short celebration. I say okay, tell us what did they play. I say hey, black say I win small and lot of person dash me money now I take can. So what you say make I do, but I not fit do one because you get why. Not be betray. Everybody know the story. What you do not good. Make it go swear or make it go do DNA. Now we want very simple. If you see do one, now bad thing but not be you start on. You will see beg everybody. I beg when I calm down, not be my fault and mistake. I don't go do again. I promise. I swear. You go see swear. So you don't see they do all those kind of nonsense again. No, you got ya babo. No, you got muy honoro word. No, you got muy abobo. No, you got in short. Make for not they disturb them again. We go see no. You see swear over the emperor vehe or a Bible vehe. Anyone wanna believe on? And I know you not believe on. But wanna prove to the world. Make it their social media. So don't prove on ourselves. Ek make it do what we want. We don't need. Be what we need. Jesus Christ. Eni Jesus me yare o. Eni Jesus me wa yare wo me. But ek bet you what me carry I know there. Where unless a man die, God did not die for Jesus Christ did not die for our sin. If he really died for our sin, I'm your toy. It matter now. I'm your toy boy. I'm your toy. Be me rock by soon. I like me rock by. Unu wa iti belena. It be like protest they do that. They kill many people. Innocent so go. How many they fit kill? Not be good to say they kill people, but how many unu ya iti bele? They're not many, as they don't. You know if you kill the whole world, that is the truth. So meaning, since you know if you kill the whole world, meaning say because you know if you kill the whole world, the truth must come out because now everybody don't hear the thing don't go viral. Say see the way see what they play. Nobody will never hear your news is 1 month now. Not even 1 month since last year. But now 1 month, he can't see, can't tie up, he can't wear band, he can't wear cap for bola, he can't wear tie. I want to be tie since 1 month, although be tie now. You know, all those kind of things. Since on the 1st, I'll be on the 2nd, I can remember vividly. So for that reason, I will war matter. Sorry, no ke gbe ma gba Lazarus no ro we do dekun na ma ya fefe yagbon. If ye do ni do, if ye do not de ba den matter. Allah no ro we do dekun na. Ma ni bun yo so lo boy are so we ye e no ri kan yare o mama me ma yin oni ni me wo so lo ba me wa yare se but there o ibai ho you must talk true. You must swear, you must confirm you and Monica. Why must confirm the truth of Venima? Yeah, at the social media to make it or wife not. Why you bribe? Can't tie no didn't why bribe banner mini or show? You hear me? Yeah, we go out there. It show to the world say you did it. You are guilty of the crime. Confirm Motai. You know what I Jamie, you don't go along me. Motai where it is confirmed that you did it. You are guilty of the crime. You are guilty of the accusation. You understand that English? What they have been accusing you for long now, you are very guilty. So you are covering your shame, covering it because you don't want anybody to know about it. Using 2 million and 100. If you like, you spend what you sell your house, say what you get. Take cover. Oh, you know. Because you can't bribe everybody. That is the question. You can't bribe the word. You can't keep the word. You can't even bribe God Almighty too. So my bad will fail me. My bad to rekege. My bad go get for o get fair way because where is what they work in there no me a color no ga me real mu yan go o ma no me o itoge ma we but o gbe kan won ni wa hen ni o wa we no we wa be tie we no gele ne no we yan YouTube kunoro o ma no we ni gba la be se ma me ni an we kan mata awu cause I won't even by even but yan gbe kan wa ni me wa hen ni so that one me prove we e wa ni me a boy I was see a boy a cousin or family person. Yes, now man work back on my young egg. A man work back on my young egg bear, or my young family, or my young tia, or my young say above all now. They get people confirmed for that reason. I see why we matter now. I want me to even need Jesus Christ for me. Jesus Christ, need Jesus Christ me yari. For me, I dare you with God that if Almighty God, Jesus Christ died for our sin, because he has paid that price, he has died for our sin, the truth must be prevailed. The truth must show face itself. The truth must come out. That is my fight. Because nobody has. I talk my name now is perfect in my YouTube. Nobody will ever make mistake. Nobody, everybody don't make mistake. But I talk man. I do one small video. I will soon post down. Nobody will never make mistake. Everybody don't make mistake. But if it's too much, you not can go again. Yeah, I'm not waiting in ideology. If you not a person say this thing they could do, this bad thing they do not good. Stop. You go to say be offer no make dunga. I mean when you last cash check up. Okay, Monica will like hina. Fine, everybody don't make mistake. Nobody they 100% clean. But then mistake one or two work be. Oh, book be kwa book maru out there. Oh, book be ne. Oh, book be tia oh. Opun gboro say mayana guina mayana mo na we make the truth come more for no wetin dey. Opun gboro no say we not dey happy with una with the situation. The why ya dey 2 million wala upo no eni awula ye village we abi wa say tie man lady ni yata redere oni. Uma dolo abe boys abe youth pokwa ni gwaligo ni di yobo uma ya epinya. Adazo na dazo wa. Adazo ya wo me go nyaka igo we ya dole we ya dole family ji nothing but we ga gbele kwa àwọn awe party we ga gbele o gbele we ga gbele kwa abi no ma kian we ya wa gbele kwa wa encourage lazy youth ko ni no re we boge ni no gie wa re Deutschland wana we bo Deutschland na meje abore be ya nwina awa abore be no ya nwina ko do me be we no di agir abore bo ko no me boro be black work iro black work iro aye ye be ya we ye nwine chinese be ya wa po be hia do my hand no call no ba me we no ni give them my igio them my we na ro we so ro be your fefe aye be ya win na it's chinese work so every chinese work no man work even no but or when you are ya we very easy now so you no person go just tell you saying okay go you go carry you go there for real you don't show anything we will show a picture cannot come say awari we maka e motor agba mi 800 mi 700 awa why 800 900 depending on ya win na depend the man ya mi 1001 self then your man go a month is 900 950 e man me why no je ni wuna contact me I go describe her for una we no get paper no gwali una Deutschland 1 million na you have it your one I obugbegi ma Everything o to am wa gbere yin wo o sa lo bua wo kina yo sa wa nyaka. The truth must be prevailed. The truth must come out by fire, by force, if not like it or not. You took a one when there was a ta me we might sing there. Walk now ye vie or twiggy or cover or back big way. No the way video will get some around after 12 or be after 1. Nah again, like no 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 so I mean or show me on your behavior and I be making nothing like be my way. Your show is written all over you that you are depressed, that you are being in stress because of this issue. Even if 100 million cover out there, that is my message for you people. Will share the video and like this video. 100 million why you settle now almost to ye tie. I'm you people confess and swear and say the truth. Sorry guys, the noise. Baby, it's just all over me when I'm doing video, when I'm doing live. You don't want me to talk. So no while when they sleep and that way you take sleep. Me too, I don't tire, I want sleep. So now I make everywhere good shot. I boy my children as so they be. At least I know work bang and after way you know money, they go understand. So that's how it be. I greet you my everybody, so I will be back again. So that's all. I greet you that well. There's a little distraction. Somebody's ringing my bell. Okay. Now my baby go ring bell. I think my person they ring bell. So my people, we'll talk again later. I made the first clip or any because the noise they show me. I don't need that like that too much. Now understand me. So that's how it be. So the only thing I want to talk about is important. Share the money. Let the money go viral. Again, not be viral. Let it go viral. You know, see money high. Boo boo boo. I like that man. Boo boo boo. Let the money go viral. Share the money. Share it. If you share it, I dare you to share the money to the whole world. If you share the money to the whole world, everybody to 2 million, 5 billion, then we go shut up. But for me, me are go shut up. Yeah, you go away. No, I man. Why have a no, why have a what my Bible no have a go baby because if we feed him, who working as that bono mommy. Not be today they see 2 million. Don't tell. You don't tell they see 2 million. And today, person enter Europe. Person enter Europe. Today, I'm 21 years in Europe. Now 2 million dollars. Not today. I beg you. I know say it's not far. It's our way. But then, I still thank God for my life. Small one I still get. Glory be to God. But then, that one is not my topic. Next time, we'll talk about that. I want to share my video so that I will talk more about my life. About, you know, things, small things. So that you people will still get encouraged and get some points in everything. Thank you, guys. Bye. Love you all. Be weekend once again. And please share this video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Share the video to her. To everyone today. May it go viral. May they hear word. Share to them. May they hear word. May they let the money go viral. The money they have shared for Enogia and the rest. No, we are not happy. Let it go viral. Or it go viral. Even you say in Nigeria, ni suffer here. Everybody. Let it go viral because man where you gonna have there will be no give no care I don't know I don't want to call their name. But especially no give way bring yourself come and say yes and get what you go ni only my way. So Nike my Ladiana boldly when you able. So on your knee. So let the money go viral. Share for everybody. Make everybody get. If you don't share, then we'll talk business. When we might share, you know what you boy you know we fuck up. Who a fuck up, big time fuck up. Because my show I didn't go. I will very only. I very not doing so. I very not doing so. I no share. No you know. Oh you know when I will be visual way here. Usually I know what any back then. I didn't know where. I will you feel. You give your sister your brother a food me chop. You know give you. You give them meat. You know give you. You're they happy. No, we are not happy. Oh. Share the money. Let it go viral. Share the money. Let it go viral. Let it go viral. Share it. That is what we want. So thank you all and please share this video. Bye. So we'll see you later or tomorrow because my kids are just all over me right now. Bye bye. God bless you all. Nobody perfect. Everybody the same. But alright to agbe ma only matter we will say man agwa ma egwa. Alright to agbe yi ma e case not to agbe not be the matter na keroto. Everybody vex now they come out now the entire live video now. Me shock why they see new face. I even see new face today too. I bet 3 people say yes. I'm not going to encourage you. I'm going to come out and open a live video. Mo talk this matter. And matter na we very only because guy it day. The matter tear apart. The matter wear high glass for Bekus. The matter wear glass. He wear shame. He wear shame for Bekus. For real. Waiting. This matter don't this is last. Everybody keep quiet. We wash and we all lock up. But right now they come back again. They rise again. At the end of the day, no one has settled. We have a home. We have more guan. Yeah, the matter. I do you go your bribe baron so with I go on away. Now for the case we here. Then go on see so that only shut up in you go. Excuse me, how dare you? Who tell you say go shut up? I don't tell you say the case go close. Share the money, let it go viral. Share the money, let it go viral. Let it go viral. Let it go viral. The money must go viral to everybody. We must shop for that money. I will shop and I will buy because a boy day. You took kunoro where a depression ain't buy. It's shop for your body do a mind way. You understand? Don't know lads no confess no here. I will have my no confess in no way and then you man who be a cover where you go where the only man you go where you're shyzy for me or for me day your money not shyzy. You get money, then get money. Who get money no they talk. You go keep quiet. I cannot vone. Oh, no my even I get money, they see money for social media. Blah, blah, blah. You go they talk, they make no you nearly bust. They don't get money, go your shut up, no talk. Go you looking, you the tell us I get money, go you look you say, okay, oh I get you. You go say I greet you as you get the money. But the time you carry you come out, go Nigeria or go show you what you get, you hear you don't bale. You say call star, call brother, hello. For real. When we go where you come on land or where you want to show where you are, cannot show me na me. Nobody perfect pass me. I'm not saying I may get everyone ahead to, but then after Monday I will wait all the hour because to Agberi man. Thank you, my people. God bless you. I'll share this video. Bye. Because I have to attend to my kids. Bye bye.